So we have our learning intention for today, which is, can I remember everything we've learned this year? So it's exactly the same learning intention and the steps we need to take, but rather than just looking at sums, we are looking at worded problems, because we've looked at some arithmetic. Now we're looking at the reasoning questions, because we're going to be doing an arithmetic paper and a reasoning paper. So again, just to go over the remembers, the reason why we're doing this is so we can answer different types of questions. We need to remember the value of the numbers. Please, if you can, put the T and the O above numbers. It will really help you. Read the question carefully. What is the question asking you to do? How are you going to solve it? Use the pictures, use the numbers in front of you to help. They are not there to trick you, they are there to help you work it out.